How to install Eclipse on Windows 11. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, let's just open up our web browser and then just search up for Eclipse. There you go. And then after that, what we want to do from here is to just simply click on download right here. So just click on download. And then after that, you'll be redirected here. So in here, what you want to do is to just simply click on download right here. Just install Eclipse or download Eclipse right there. So just click on it. There you go. And then after that, just simply click on download again. And then there you go. Thank you for your download. So there you go. All you have to do now is just wait until Eclipse is finished downloading. And then once it's done downloading, just open up the installer. There you go. So just wait for it to load. And then there you go. So from here, what you want to do is you just simply choose the kind of IDE that you want to download for Eclipse. So if you want to use Java for Eclipse, just click on this. If you want to use C++ for Eclipse, just click on this. If you want to use PHP for Eclipse, click on this, and etc. etc. So yeah, just choose your IDE from here. But for me, I'll just choose Eclipse IDE for Java developers since I usually code in Java. So I will just click on this, and then after that, what you want to do from here is if you want to change the installation folder of your Eclipse, just simply click on this folder icon right there. And after that, just choose in which location you want to save your Eclipse. But for me, I'll just leave it at this default location right here in my C drive. And then once you're ready to install it, just simply click on install. There you go. After that, it will ask you to accept the terms of services. So yeah, so just click on accept now. And there you go. It is now currently installing, so just wait for the installation to finish. And then there you go. So once it's done, you can view some settings right here at the bottom, like show the README file, open it in System Explorer, or keep the installer, or just simply launch Eclipse from here. So for me, I'll just launch Eclipse. So I'll just click on it, and after that, Eclipse will now start to launch. And then there you go. So after that, it will ask you to select a directory as a workspace. So for me, I'll just leave it as a default, but if you want to change the workspace, you can always change it here and then just choose the folder and where you want to save your Eclipse workspace. But for me, I'll just leave it as the default location right there. And after that, I'll just simply click on launch. And then after that, just wait for Eclipse to load. And then there you go. We have now Eclipse loaded up. And then there you go. So now you can now start using Eclipse from here. You can now create a new project. There you go. Just name your project. I'll just name my project. Click on finish. And then there you go. So I just made the new Java file right there. So here you can now start coding your Java code right here. So yeah. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to install or download Eclipse.